Hey, welcome back, guys. This is Hina from Soulful Adventures. So, here we are for our tarot reading for the month of May. It's an official Taurus season which starts from April 19 and ends at May 20. So, Taurus is a sign of patience, reliability, stability. So, it is a sign where we have to ground ourselves, balance, and think. Okay, after the faster movement of Aries sign, there is the phase of stability, we can say, where we have to settle down, think properly, indulge ourselves into comfort, stability, luxury. Okay, and with all the love, think for the future plans. It's a proper season to, you know, it's a quite proper season where you can meditate, when you can think about new plans, your new future, and then make plans for coming season of Gemini, Cancer, and Leo. Okay, this is a season of planning, guys. So welcome to the Taurus season, and let's check out what are the tarot reading for each sign. Hey guys, this is Hina. Let's begin with our next zodiac sign, that is Capricorn, for the month of May 2020. Let's see what are the tarot cards for them. I'm shuffling here for them. Now Capricorn is a sign which takes decision on the base of practicality. They are people who are much determined, work oriented kind of people. It doesn't mean that they are emotionless, but yes, not much romantic. Being a earth sign, they are more grounded and tend to take decisions by taking all the practical conditions in considerate and not on the basis of emotions. Okay, so let's see what are the cards for our 10th sign, that is Capricorn, for the May month. Let's see what Taurus season has brought for them. The first card, just hope you can see all the cards. The second one, the third one, fourth card, the fifth card, and the sixth card. Great cards. And this overall energy. Okay guys, I think I will need a longer time for explaining all these cards, since I know if you people are familiar with tarot cards, the Tower. Okay, so usually I start giving readings, guys, from the first card, but this time I think there is a major arcana card over here in your overall energy, and that is the Tower. If you see this card, you people will get a little afraid, because there is someone who is falling from the tower and everything is on fire, and there is also lightning, and what's not happening in this card. But let me tell you, when the Tower cards come, it means there is going to be a change, a catastrophic, a huge change, a huge transformation. People, we are going through Pluto retrograde. When Pluto is retrograding, it means there is a transformation. 5 months we are going into this whole lot of transformation. You have to face your fears, you have to get comfortable with all those uncomfortable things, and you have to awaken yourself again. This is what the Tower card also means, right? So there is going to be a lot of huge changes within yourself. Don't be afraid of it. Face these changes and you will be through this process. When these changes happen, understand after effect, we can say, of this transformation is the good one, because you destroy something within yourself or outside yourself which is of no more use to you, or which was more toxic in your life, and you try to see the new beginnings, the good changes coming, and you have to get through this. Accept this change, embrace this transformation, and you would be a new person with all the way better possibilities to achieve your success, guys. Now let's begin with our first card. The first card, the first position means your current situation, your current circumstances. So currently you are going through a very, I can say, now this is very unusual for Capricorn, but they are going through a phase of love, a phase of emotions, patience in love, I can say. What this card is Queen of Cups. So when Queen comes, it's all about patience, wisdom, knowledge, and when Cups, it's about love. So you are showing a very patience in love. You are nurturing, you are caring about someone. You are giving preference to emotions in this month. As it is, Taurus is also an earth sign and Taurus season. Taurus is a loving personality. When its season hits everyone, people are tend to get more grounded and care and nurture and get more kind and compassionate, loving. So yes, even you are into this phase right now, and it's a good phase. Okay, and yeah, there is nothing wrong with love. Everything is fine in love. So yes, it's a good phase. It's not something which Capricorn usually does, but if you are exploring your this side, I said you, this is a transformation phase going on with you. So this side is one of the effect that is in the process you are facing, and that's good. That's really good. So this was your current situation or current circumstances that you are going through right now. When you start, okay, in this process, the second position is the resistance of the external forces limiting your growth or your success. That is Eight of Pentacles, work. It can happen like this, Capricorn. As I told you, they are more work oriented, always working, always determined to work. Can it happen like this for an instance if you are completely giving yourself to work? Okay, since we are now into lockdown and I understand there is no going to work every day, but it can happen you're working from home, or you are giving more attention to your career, studying, work, projects, and because of that you're ignoring your love, your friends, or it can happen you're not getting time for the family too, and that can be the external force that can resist you by not giving you in return what you expect. If the life is giving you a chance to care for someone, to love someone, to nurture someone, then why not we have to focus into this part and not only focus on hard working and completely going into this work kind of thing. So you had to ignore your family, your friends, your partner. Try to become more loving in this month, because only Taurus is a season where you can explore love more beautifully, right? So try to do that, and not focusing completely into work this month. So when the third position card, that is Page of Pentacles, and third position means channelizing your overall energy into something. So where you have to channelize your energy. Page of Pentacles means new beginning, no doubt, and Pentacles is new. Pages is new learning, Pentacles is material world. A bit by bit, a piece by piece, means if you are trying to learn something new or focus your energy on learning something new, don't learn everything at a time. Okay, give some time to learn a single piece of the whole thing, then move to the next level, then to the next stage, then to the next stage, and then finally to the master level. Okay, don't try to get all the knowledge at first instance. This is what universe is guiding you guys this month. Be little compassionate about yourself. Don't be harsh on you. Try to learn new things, channelize your energy in learning new, for the new beginning. But how? A piece by piece, a stage by stage, a level by level. Okay? When the fourth card comes, it's into a resistance position. Now the second position was resistance of your external forces, while the fourth card means the resistance of your internal mindset. So what is your mindset in this month that can resist your growth? The judgment card has come. Don't try to judge others, or don't try to judge yourself too. Sometimes it can be like that see what vibe I can get. Capricorn are people who tends to work, who likes to work, who are determined to usually use their intelligence into work, their skills for better projects. And if because of lockdown, guys, you are not able to get new work or new projects or something, so you become stressed that where can you show your talent, your skills, what can you achieve, right? So this is something where you can start getting stress for yourself. So you try to judge yourself sometimes that what am I doing sitting idle, why can't I work, I need to work, right? And this can cause you headaches, stress, anxiety, guys. Okay, and why I'm saying that, if you can see the fifth card also, it's of sickness, fourth of swords. On your stability position, guys, don't try to judge yourself, don't be harsh. I said you in third card only that don't be harsh, be compassionate about yourself. Don't try to learn everything at a time because you want to achieve something. Try being little more, I can say, kind with yourself. Don't try to judge yourself because you are not working right now, or you are not putting all the efforts and all your talents and skills into something which you usually do, right? And don't also judge others, because this is not a time, and there is never a time to judge anybody. We cannot judge others. Okay, try to be more compassionate, kind to yourself, to others, because if you don't want to fall into this position when you are getting little stable, if you don't want to be unstable at that time, try not to judge yourself and others. Accept with all the kindness and compassion that what the life is giving me is supposed to be like that. Go with the flow. Try to change with this retrograde. Try to change, try to transform yourself. Okay, when the sixth card comes, it means that it's a future outcome. And Knight of Pentacles, guys, this is Knight of Pentacles. When Pentacles come, it is again a material world. Your wealth, your health, your money, your success, career, study. And Knight means the execution. So when you are channelizing your energy completely into learning new things, step by step, stage by stage, level by level, piece by piece, you will get this success. He is offering you all the pentacles, your wealth, your health, your money, your success. You will be riding on the horseback and executing this because you have already learned those things in the past. So guys, what universe is trying to suggest you, don't fall into this sickness. Don't judge yourself. Try to focus on something more passionate, something more deeply. You start to learn it with each and every step, and then you can find this success. And as I told you, this is an overall energy is the Tower. This means the changes, this means the catastrophic changes. Things will happen very quickly. There would be very much big changes, but it would be for good. Trust me, whatever has begun will end, and you will be through this. We will meet with our next readings in the month of June. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.